Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member, and in this segment, I'm going to be going over some of the portions of this poster that all of you are taking part in. First of all, thank you for being a part of this, and this will be a really great collaboration. So before I give instructions, I wanted to show you the areas that I have completed. So if you scroll, if you look at this poster when you get to it, this will be in a shared place. Then you'll see the title already filled out, and then all the names already completed. Uh, the order is fixed. However, there may be some variations of that. Um, so let's take a whirlwind tour of this poster, and I'm going to show you where I want you to work on the most. Um, so what I've done actually is gone through this poster and marked comments so that each of you can take one comment on. And this would be based on your annotated bibliography that each of you completed. Um, so let's go through some of these. Go ahead, when you look at the comment that you want to complete, select reply and write something here saying that your name and you will be completing this portion. So one thing to note is that this is not at all the final wording. This is all only meant to be a template. What that means is that a lot of this writing, almost all of this writing, will have to change. So one of the assignments that I gave was, well, this is before we do this, I want to go over the first comment, um, and I'm not necessarily. There we go. So this was from the introduction, and take a look at this. I write an introduction using facts that you have collected from the annotated bibliography that you created. So if one of you want to take this, I'll just give an example. Michael Goins. Michael will be working on this. So you could just select that, and of course, there's some that you might not want to do, like this one, creating visuals. I know some people might be more willing to do something like this rather than others. This is somewhat of a challenge for individuals that might not be artistically inclined. And then just to show you, this portion I actually already worked on. So the methodology I already did, and the results I'll be working on. So this and this, don't leave them alone. What you want to focus on, of course, one of you will do that, is take a look at the background section. So this section will go to somebody, and I believe I have provided this in the details. There we go, complete the background information. So somebody can just write their name in here, and then so the rest of us will know that this is what you're completing. So again, methodology is completed by me. Results I'm going to be working on. And then one of you will take on the conclusion. And what I'm going to do here is take a look at, like, I'm going to change this to CVD mortality, because that's what the paper is about. And there is a significant relationship between basically between arthritis and CVD among Latino Americans with moderation by food insecurity. So this portion I basically did for you. However, the rest of this you'll have to write, and one of you can take this on. Right, there's a there's a comment that goes from here, and you can kind of search for that in the comments again on the side here. And take a look where these comments are. All right, so this is the conclusion. This is where I write about the conclusion. So if one of you wants to take on the conclusion, and then if one of you want to take on this visual, this can count as research that you're doing. And then we can all collectively decide some of the references. These are not meant to be all references, just the selected references. So again, this is pretty much the process by which I want you to be working on this poster by. Just try to understand this a bit further. Basically, in short, what this means is that that arthritis and cardiovascular mortality are already determined. So there is among Latino Americans, there's a increased likelihood of cardiovascular mortality among those people with arthritis. Now that's something that is kind of known from literature. However, in a nationally representative study, this is something that's unique. More importantly, though, when you compound the effect of food insecurity on something like arthritis, then the risk of cardiovascular disease mortality increases. So in summary, that's what this study is all about, and this is where I really am really wanting to see that you're able to kind of take what you have written in your annotated bibliography, and in a creative manner transfer this to the poster. This way, you're learning about the kind of the foundation of how to conduct research, and then this will give you some guidance as to how to do this. And our gracious collaborators and from the NIH has also is also a part of this process. I hope this has made some sense. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for listening.